Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the overall chart is hanging in there. I didn't really get any sort of upwards momentum from the pullback. I guess I take that back. The opening 30 minutes, there was this gap up to that area, which signified some very temporary momentum. But I say temporary because that didn't last very long, and back down the price is gone. So yeah, today was a little disappointment in the sense of how the price was gapping up and then got no follow through that. But it's not like it was a disappointment in the sense of the entire chart being ruined, which is where this green line comes into play, which I've talked about in past videos, at 46 cents. So yeah, today was a very, it wasn't a very exciting day, but that doesn't mean that the chart's all of a sudden destroyed or anything like that. The chart and the overall movement is still in play. What do I mean by in play? Well, as long as the price stays above 46 cents. So if the price comes down here, bounces around and then works its way back upwards, what would you still have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still have lows there. You'd have lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, there you go. You still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. Now, I realize that if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, maybe you bought on the gap up this morning and your plan was to buy and sell within 4 minutes. Well, yeah, from that angle, then the chart looks terrible for you. But assuming you do care about the grand scheme of it all, like I said, the price is hanging in there, and hanging in there is by staying above 46 cents for the reasons discussed, as it would represent an overall stair step. Now, in the event the price starts to work its way back upwards, where some of these levels of resistance at? First key area of resistance, keep a close eye on. Going to be right there at the 51 cent mark. And then if the price can break above 51 cents, next key level would be that pink line up there, the 200 period moving average, which, as I pointed out yesterday, was a very stubborn level. Current value of that is, we'll just call it right around the 55 cent mark, give or take. But yeah, it's hanging in there. But yeah, things are still looking a little bit shaky here, but let's see if the price can hold up above 46 cents or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.